The Mighty Mo. What's going on, guys? How you doing? Thanks for tuning in. Yeah, what we're doing today is bringing Gary along, bringing Barnabas. We're gonna float that. A little bigger than the creek. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. Life jacket central. Found a good entry point underneath this bridge here. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna float it, find somewhere along the way, cook up some breakfast, and enjoy the day. Yeah. Farewell, Barnabas.
I ain't getting my yak buddy this time.
I'll give a little love tap. Life jacket swallowing me. Gotta make some adjustments. Here we go. Off on our journey. Not gonna lie, we've been nerve-wracked, but yeah, let's do that. Uh-oh, we're floating. Oh my god, like my hat. To the great wide open. And here we go, guys. We're setting sail. Going out to sea for 45 days. No land in sight. The whole crew was standing ready to fight. The sea was about to turn red. And then we found a loaf of bread. I made that up and I tell that little story to my kiddos. Yeah, something's grazing the boat. We're doing it! We're doing it! Not gonna lie, I'm probably just gonna hug the edge the whole time. I'm probably gonna stay this close to the shore. Kind of freaky. I swear if a fin comes flying past me, oh boy, probably gonna have a stroke. This is the Missouri River that ties into the Mississippi, where they find bull sharks and stuff. Not so sure I like that. Yeah. The faster we paddle, the closer to Seattle. Nowhere near Seattle. It's okay though. Keep on keeping on, guys. Yeah. This is what we got for you guys. A bit nice compared to seeing the creek the whole time. What do you think, Gary? Huh? You digging it? Trying not to eat the trees. Woo! Woo! Hi. It's a nice chain bridge. Fantastic time! Found us a nice little inlet. Gotta figure out somewhere to go from here. Find out.
I don't think it's slow enough to go to the left.
Yeah. No, there's nothing there.
Oh, baby, that's... There you go. Put them up.
Somebody's got a little Camp established back here. Cool little cove. But not quite the one we're looking for. There's little ducks over there. Interesting.
Yeah, that shit looks like it's ooh, here. Oh yeah.
That's a perfect little island.
Now what you think? You geese?
Well, all of them are young.
Going down.
All the parents left them over here. We made landfall. We got our own little private island over here. Well, besides some of these geese out here. Not too shabby. What a fine place to have breakfast. This is pretty cool. Definitely freaking neat. We're gonna set up camp. Not camp. Little spot to do some breakfast up. Alright, do that. It's coming together. Got the stove fired up. It's the licks of the stick. Stove, you guys already seen that, so I ain't gonna go over it. But yeah, he's gonna do up his little healthy breakfast deal. I got some potatoes, eggs, and onions. Did have sausage, left it in the freezer though. Whoops. So yeah, we do that up, eat, and just enjoy the nice breeze.
The breeze.
The sound of water distribution.
Sound of water.
Tell you what, the spookiest thing about this water though is when a whirlpool opens up in front of you, like a giant toilet. Kind of spooky.
Near the poopy.
Spooky near the poopy.
8-2. Perfect. Divide that, it's 4. That's how much this will feed. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that?
Pretty good. Looking pretty good there, Barnabas.
Oh, it's delicious.
Check it out. I totally forgot that I brought some asparagus, some bacon wrapped asparagus. Last night I threw up on the grill. So then I got 6 eggs I'm gonna crack over the top of this. My God, that should be tasty. So we'll see, find out. Took Barney 8 days to cook his meal, so it's our turn now. Thank you. Hour and a half later. Finally got it to cook. I'm gonna definitely have to upgrade from this stove. I don't like it. It takes way too long. It doesn't hold too much. It breathes really well. It just eats everything up super fast.
You gotta keep it stacked.
Gotta keep it stacked. Yeah. Breakfast! Yeah. Good luck fishing that out.
Good luck fishing
Look at that mess. Keep digging if we keep digging, there's plenty.
Just in case he wants some.
He ain't gonna eat it because he's on diet. Barnabas getting all healthy like. I saw ya. Oh man, it's super sinky. See that potato? There was a bunch of fish. Oh, you can really see it. Bunch of minnows.
Dude, did I like soy sauce? Oh, those Asian carp love soy sauce. I'll tell you what. They're gonna be coming over here, brother. Rip load.
Spuds. It's been a fun time on this little island here. We're gonna set sail now. And we're gonna go make our way over there through them weeds and try to fish our way back out into the river. Wish us luck. We'll see what happens. See you in about 2 minutes probably. paddle that fast to go that slow.
I thought that tree was...
On the cooler.
Isn't it cool?
Needs a little TLC. Should be alright. Bridges! We're out here on a little sidetrack runoff of the flood waters. All sorts of trees. We just fished our way through those ones. Got a few more to get through. It's fun though, exploring new spots and not knowing where you're going or if you're gonna live or not. Kind of exciting. Onward we go. Making our way back to the Iowa side now. Spookiest part though is when these little whirlpools pop up in front of you. Wee bit spooky. And there is no shade whatsoever out here. That sucks, huh? This jacket's like killing me. Hey, well, this is freaking neat. Staying on this side because we're not getting slaughtered by the sun. Cruising next to the shore. Yeah. Easy some. Definitely gotta wear a different life jacket next time. This thing's killing me and saving me at the same time from destruction. The outdoorsmegee dead. Yep, we're moving. Moving along. With a bit of a bridge.
Stop.
Uh-oh. Private property.
Which way is it?
Too bad.
No trespassing.
I'm not on the property, I'm just floating over it.
Trespassing through. Got it?
Ah,
Here's just a bunch of greenery. Another cool?
huh?
Another cool? No, it's styrofoam block. That was sweet.
Look at the crane. Oh, he's talking crap now. He's flustered. He's getting his feathers all ruffled up. Not a happy fella.
That's the water over there. This is just private water.
Can we sneak back through right there?
And
I think we can.
we're going to do another one. Oh,
Right there. Let's do it. I feel like I'm in the Everglades.
look, black bear.
Black bear?
Where's black bear?
into another pile of mess.
How's she looking down there?
Like we gotta squeeze. Find out. We all just raced over there. I don't know if you guys probably can't see it from now. Underneath those power lines, on the other side, we were completely on the Iowa side, and it looked like there was a kayak sitting on shore. We tried to paddle over there, but it was just too late. Like, we can't even fight this current. It was just way too tough. But it looked like a kayak just sitting there. I don't know. May have to float it again and stay on that side and check it out. Who knows? The heat's been kicking my butt. I paddled over there and then tried paddling upstream. Freaking arm started to cramp and my side started to cramp. Yep. But we're getting there. We're getting there. We're almost to that little creek we gotta go up, and then that's where we have our car parked to get out of here. See how it goes. There's a lot of Asian carp in here. Swimming across top, flashing, kind of spooking me out a little bit. But if you just focus, keep moving, go like a robot, ain't so bad. You can just forget about it. That's what we're doing. We're doing it. All right, found our canal. Heading upstream just in time. There's a boat down there. I want him to come and fling us around. But yeah, this is our exit. Jeez Louise. Yeah. Getting there, slowly but surely. Quarter mile upstream. God. Almost there. Almost there. Well, we have made it to our destination. This little
Alive.
bike trail. And alive, yeah. Sorry, Mom. But yeah, so that's that. Now we gotta drag our yaks through some crap up and over the levee to the car, about a block that way. That's gonna be that for that one. So thanks for coming along for our first time in the Missouri. Yeah.
In the Missouri River?
Anyway, guys, make every day great exploring Earth, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye now. Have a great day.